Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create high-performance business teams, complete guide step-by-step clearly. To create high-performance business teams, start by defining clear goals. Ensure that every team member understands these goals and their importance. Next, assess the strengths and weaknesses of each team member. Use this assessment to assign roles that cater to individual strengths. Encourage open communication within the team. Establish a safe space for team members to share ideas and concerns without fear of judgment. Regularly schedule team meetings to discuss progress and address any challenges. Implement collaborative tools to streamline communication and project management. Set performance metrics to track the team's progress toward goals. Recognize and celebrate individual and team achievements to boost morale. Provide ongoing training opportunities to enhance skills and knowledge. Encourage feedback and be open to making adjustments based on team input. Foster a culture of trust and respect among team members. Promote diversity and inclusion to enhance creativity and problem solving. Lastly, continuously evaluate team dynamics and performance to ensure sustained high performance. Make necessary adjustments to processes and team composition as needed. With these steps, you can effectively build and sustain high-performance business teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.